Well, I think the U.S. and China have always enjoyed a substantial trading relationship. Last year, the bilateral trade volume amounted to over roughly about 700 billion US dollars. And for the US side, it exported goods, products to China last year, amounted to over 150 billion dollars worth. Of course, in the past few years, the two countries certainly are trying to work on certain issues, political issues and otherwise. In addition to competition, people focus a lot on that side of the relationship. But I think cooperation remains very, very important for the bilateral relationship. I think for agriculture, it shouldn't be controversial, right? It is win-win for both sides, and China is a net importer of agricultural products, and the U.S. is very strong in its agricultural products, and U.S. farmers will love to export products to China and other parts of the world. And you probably heard that a few days ago, very recently, the two countries signed deals to import agricultural products from the U.S. So we'd like to see more of these cooperation initiatives, and I think CIIE is a very great platform, and it's great that we'll expect to see some senior visitors from the U.S., and that's a very positive sign that the two sides are working more closely together. We're talking about two largest economies in the world, number one and number two, that have enjoyed a substantial commercial relationship over the past decades, particularly since China opened to the outside world, and particularly since China joined the WTO. I think both sides actually have benefit from this relationship. And I think we're looking for win-win solutions here, not zero-sum. And decoupling is not an option, because decoupling is in no country's interest, not in the interest of China, nor in the interest of the United States. Our members, U.S. companies, have been here for decades, and they've grown tremendously over the past decades, together with the growth of this country. So we like to continue to work in this country for the benefits of both sides, for both countries and both people.